Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to update Mozilla Thunderbird in 2026. Keeping Thunderbird updated can provide new features, security improvements, and important bug fixes. So let's get started. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird on your computer. Open the application menu and look for the option to check for updates. Thunderbird will check whether a newer version is available. If an update is found, follow the instructions to download and install it. Depending on your operating system and Thunderbird version, the application may restart automatically after the update is installed. You can also check the Thunderbird version information to confirm that the update was completed successfully. If the built-in update option is available, you can download the latest version from the official Mozilla Thunderbird website and install it over the existing version. Before performing a major update, it's always a good idea to keep a backup of important email data and your Thunderbird profile. Once the update is complete, open Thunderbird and check your accounts, folders, extensions, and settings to make sure everything is working correctly. And that's how to update Mozilla Thunderbird. Regular updates can help keep the application secure, stable, and compatible with modern email services. If this guide helped, make sure to like the video, and thanks for watching.